Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
To register in GitHub for Python, sir?
Yes, yes. How to registration is easy. It is just like you register for email, register to GitHub is easy. Okay, all that we will let you know. Let us complete the graph part in Raptor today.
Okay, sir.
I think last week also someone has asked graph. We forgot it and I left it, right? Okay, so okay, did I start? I have started the recording. Okay, so let me close it. Assuming that I don't know anything about graphics, I go to the help. I have this topic. Okay. So about graphic only talks about who has done when, etc., etc. Then I will go for the review. So what does it say? It starts with the program opens Raptor graph window use open underscore graph underscore window call. So we have one more predefined procedure or function called as open underscore graph underscore window. Okay, so let me just implement it and see how it. So open underscore graph underscore window. Okay. Or make a call. Open. So the moment I type a few words, automatically it will show me it. So as arguments, I need to pass. Okay, let us put 100, 100. Done. Let me save this. Somewhere I will save. I give the word Raptor graphics Raptor. Okay. Without anything, I will just try to run this. I want to see how it. Okay. The moment this call is being made, some window is open. Evaluated 3 symbols, and we could see some window over here. Where is that window? Raptor graph window, and the size is as specified by me, 100 by 100, maybe 100 length pixels and 100 pixel breadth. Let me try to increase it. Let me give 500 and see how it looks. Save this, and I can run this. So my another window is now 500 by 500. So to get this window, I need to call a function or procedure called as open underscore graph underscore window. And I need to pass arguments 500, 500. Now we can say that because arguments are passed, this is not a subchart, it is a function or procedure, predefined procedure. Okay. Now, how do I write something on this? I'm trying to bring the cursor there, I'm not able to write anything. I could get a window where I can draw something, but I don't know how to draw it. So I will again go to the next part. Again, go to help, go to graphics, graphics overview, right. APS in the background, routines, etc., etc. Okay, 40, next. Drawing operations. The drawing routines can output a variety of shapes in a variety of colors. What are those? Okay, what are the drawing routines? Where can I see the drawing routines? Okay, somewhere it is still drawing operations. Okay, so there is something called as draw org. Let us see. So this is the again predefined function. So it is taking many arguments. Let us take a simple circle. So circle requires XY coordinates, radius, color, field. Okay, let me draw circle. The moment I type there, it will give me the help. Let me use it. I call, is it call only? Let me again, even if I don't know, if it will give me an error, no problem. Draw underscore circle. Okay, what does it require? XY coordinates. So my size is 500 by 500. Let me put it as 100, comma 100. The radius, okay, let radius, let it be 50. I don't know. Color, okay, which color? Okay, let me call it as blue, comma field. Yeah, it is saying field. I am also typing field, and then done. Let me save this and let me run this. Okay, so I got something. Okay, so I opened the graph window based on the coordinates XY 100, 100, the radius 50. It filled my circle with blue. So we don't require any assistance. We can directly, we can just find out what are the functions which are available for drawing purposes. We all, whatever is there, I think we are all familiar with what are those dimensions, what are those diagrams and all. We can straight away use it.
Sir, what is that 100, 100, sir? The x coordinate, x and y coordinates?
Maybe the circle, the center point of the circle. So to get it confirmed, let us again go to that graphics. Circle drawing operations, draw a circle. Where is draw circle? Right. Okay.
Okay, sir. Coordinators of the center.
Center. Where is it written? Okay. Draw circle
Yes,
is
sir.
called where the center is x, y, right?
Yes, sir.
Whose
Yes,
radius
sir.
is given, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The point is, Raptor is a self-learning tool with minimum knowledge. Once you start getting accustomed to it, you can just spend a lot of time. Now, all this we are only using predefined functions. Suppose what if I want to write my own function for a graph? Now here, these are the predefined. The next level is what I want to draw a house. I write my function called draw house, and then inside it, I use all the existing one. Maybe is there anything called as triangle here? Okay, there is no triangle. Is there anything for line? Okay, there is something called as line here. So triangle is made of 3 lines. If the function is existing, we make use of the existing function. If not, we create our own function based on the existing functions. Same in every programming language, everywhere it's the same thing. We try to find out whether there is anything which we can directly use it without not knowing how it is being done. If it is not there, we try to create our own from what is existing. That's all. So graphics is like this only. We are not going in depth into this. The reason it is not there in the syllabus. If you have more interest in this, you can create your own flow charts and put them in the record. At the time of lab session, if any faculty goes through it, you can explain your concept there. All right. Okay, so graphics in Raptor is done. I'm again pausing the video. I'm stopping my screen share.